If any classical Muslim scholar was here holding this microphone right now, right here, you know what he'd be doing? He'd be actually talking to you guys about how to be a good person, you know, how to wear proper clothes and how to wear a hijab and all of that stuff, how to respect your parents. And that's it. He's capped it. That's why you see global leadership every year published, regardless of whoever's publishing it, from Scandinavia to Indonesia to Australia to Russia to America. You're not going to find a Muslim there. Top 1,000 names is not going to have a Muslim, let alone a guy who's trying to do it for Islam. Because we're not choosing it by choice. We're not using the Quran as the source of energy to make that global change. This is the problem that you need to solve, because you are already eligible. You have the resume being made right now. I hope you are really performing really well in LSE. In any school a Muslim goes, he does not go to school for Islam. He says, you know what, oh, masjid is for that reason, man. I have to go to the masjid for Islam. And what does he do in a masjid? He goes 5 times a day for 5 minutes only. As soon as he's done praying, which he doesn't even understand what he's saying during the prayer. He's actually going there to get out of there. He's reverse parked into the masjid. So I know the masjid is not going to actually make the change now, because we've defined it wrong. But schools like these are going to make a change. Enough Muslims have the right mindset, the right perspective.